Seconds left. GB Batong Bakal, corner 3 is good.
And that corner 3 was made possible because of that inside to outside play. But knowing Manila rin, slow start din sila kahapon during the first and all of a sudden stepping on the gas.
Against Bo Gelin.
Mahirap na talaga maabot pag itong si Gelin that close to the
Ganun pa lang
basket.
talaga aabot, no? Siyang sumundot in that instance as Gelin drops it. Perito, balik sa kanya for this easy basket.
Perfect chance to build a huge lead against Manila nung nasa bench itong si Aceldo and Jelin. But right now, they are fresh, they're able to run, and kaya nga ngayon, si Aceldo alam niya na kung paano atakihin.
Nahanap na niya yung butas, no? Nakikita na niya na
has been there to keep them at bay.
that was Chrysler Elvigue, their team captain, getting that 3 to go, pero medyo nabigay din naman goes all the way to Jelin. Ang ganda naman ng hanap. Game. Balik sila kay Jelin.
Ayun,
Why not?
Every time Marikina is gambling doon sa kanilang depensa. Good thing.
Aceldo, wrap around to Jelin. Ewan ko, Melo, kung ikaw, kitang-kita mo na rin. Paparating yung wrap around pass na yun.
The tandem of this.
Today, 14 under victory para sa Manila Pirates. They will move to 3-2 in the team standings. Samantalang ang Marikina naman will fall to 2-2 in their